Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to register for Sainsbury's bank travel insurance account. So first we're going to go to our browser and search for Sainsbury Bank. And then click on the first link that pops up. So once you guys are here, you're going to click on login or register found on the top right corner. Then there's the travel insurance option. You're going to click on register. Then here you're going to insert your email address, your password. They're also going to ask you a security question for the sake of security. So insert your answer as well. Then you guys have to insert a policy number or a code number for registration. So once you guys insert that, you're going to insert your date of birth, then click on register. So once you do that, you're going to insert your social security number and some account details you want, as well as there are a lot of requirements they have. Once you pass through that, they're going to register you for your travel insurance account. So that's how you basically do it. It's an easy tutorial. Make sure to check our other videos as well. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.